Welcome to Pacer for Teams. In this video, we'll guide you through managing teams for your virtual challenges using the admin web portal. Whether you're setting up new teams or organizing team members, we've made it simple and flexible for you. First, sign in to your admin web portal to access the team management features. To create a new team, go to the Manage Teams section and click the Add Teams button. You can create as many teams as you need. There is no limit. If you do not create teams in your account, everyone will automatically be assigned to the system-generated standard team. We also offer a team size limit feature, which allows you to cap the number of members per team. There's no team size limit by default, but you can adjust this in the admin settings. During onboarding, participants will be asked to choose a team themselves. If you allow participants to create their teams, they will see the Create New button on this page. We'll cover this feature in more detail in the next video. You won't pre-assign participants to teams as an admin, but you can manage and reassign team members later. To manage team members, click on a team name to see the list of current members. From here, you can move members to a different team. Select the member or members you'd like to move. Click Change Team under More Actions, and choose the new team. The move is instantaneous, and their current challenge data will move with them to the new team. If you need to remove a member from a team, click the Remove button and confirm the removal on the pop-up window. Please note that when a member is removed, their associated data will also be permanently removed from your challenge. This makes team adjustments quick and efficient. You can customize team details by clicking the Edit button, update the team name, upload a new photo, or add a description to give your teams a personal touch. To delete a team, click the Delete button. Remember, only empty teams can be removed, so you must reassign or remove all existing members first. And that's it. These tools allow you to manage your teams and keep your challenges running smoothly. Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll show you how participants can set up their teams in the Pacer app. Thanks for watching and happy stepping!